Hello everyone, how is going on? Hope you are doing very well. Today I am here with a very lucrative affiliate program and you can earn tons of money. Literally tons of money through these affiliate programs. Okay. So today's uh, title of the video is the 7 best high commission debt settlement affiliate program to promote. Okay. Affiliates, the most and good commission based program is debt settlement program, loan based affiliate program, financial affiliate programs. Those programs give you the highest level of commission. Okay, so today's video we will learn about this. For the top chart, number one is the CURADEBT. This is so much popular, and you can earn up to 350 to 500 bucks per transaction. Okay, per transaction you can promote this through PPL, PPC program, PPS program. Okay, this is so high and good. CURADEBT is a financial crisis assistance company. Okay, that was formed in 2000 and making it one of the best and oldest and most experienced in terms of the industry. This is the very uh, popular and most experienced. Okay, their talented team of representatives specialized in providing help to both individuals and small business who need immediate financial support. They are very good, and you can see that their conversion rate is very high and long cookies duration. Okay, the cookie duration is very long, and you can earn up to 30% commission. Can you imagine? Okay, you can visit their website, and the best is the curadev.com. Okay, curadev.com/affiliate. You can visit their website and you can earn through this. Okay, 30% commission, high conversion rate, long-term cookies. Okay, just sign up and affiliate there. Okay, number two is very good, and this is American Debt Index. American Debt Index is very good, and you can earn this commission through ShareSL. Okay, just if you join the sharesl.com and you can just search the American Debt Index and you can uh, earn find this commission page. Okay, so if you won't get the direct affiliate link through their website, you have to get the help from the sharesl.com. Okay, sharesl visit. I will also show you another two good affiliate program from this website. This is very good, and I will also put the link in the description. Okay, so the American Debt Index, this is not too much. You can earn up to 25 per dollar per sale. Okay, $25 per sale, and it starts from 20 bucks. Okay, but its conversion rate is very high. You can do through email marketing or other, oh no, the pop-up ads, push ads, a lot of things of here. So that's why in 2006 American Debt Index was started. Okay, this is also a very old company, so you can trust them. Okay, the free credit counseling they provide them, but not only they provide the free debt counseling, their help center is so happy and among the first companies in the nation to use a unique business model of offering multiple debt relief program and solution under the same roof. Okay, here you will find there's some description. I'm not longer the video, but you can find this, how much money you can earn, long expensive than debt settlement. Here you can see the 20 bucks per referral, $500 minimum debt. No, you will find some criteria before promoting their offer. Just have a look, okay? Just visit their website. And the next program is the National Debt Relief. Okay, this is also the under of ShareSL website. Here you will find, just sign up sharesl.com and you will find this. Okay, and you can earn per qualified debt relief program $27.5. Okay, short six field. It will not take a long time to fill their program for applying. It also a very old company, and you can see that over uh, over a million of customers have been served from them. Okay, so the National Debt Relief. Okay, it's my favorite program. Uh, you can earn up to 41 parcel. Okay, and this is the country's the longest and the most reputed debt settlement company. This is the most reputed. Okay, and they are energetic, smart, and comparative individuals. They helps a lot. Okay, so okay, and the next one is the Guardian Debt Relief. Guardian Debt Relief has also good reputation, and you can earn 32. You can see here the 32 bucks per qualified lead, and not only that, you can earn up to 3 and 25 3 to 325 bucks per closing the deal. Okay, it's very good, and a Guardian Debt Relief is the A plus rated. Okay, and triple B credited business based out of New York City. Okay, their commission is high and they work for long term. Paper call, you can paper lead and paper call. Can you see the paper call commission 45 qualified? Okay, paper deal, oh my god, 325 bucks per deal close. Okay, referral commission receive 15% commission. So here you can see which states they are accepting the affiliate. Okay, the New York, New California, Virginia, Texas, Indiana, a lot of Florida, Arizona. Okay, California, a lot of states they have program running on. Okay, so you can, here you can earn in different way, like paper lead, paper call, paper deal, and the referral commission. Okay, so that's why this is very lucrative. Okay, so those were the four, and number fifth is the the credible.com. You can visit credible.com/partners for this, for joining this affiliate program, and this is also my most favorites. Those seven are my most favorites, but credible is my one of the top most affiliates. Okay, so what you can earn from credible is $75 per accepted personal loan, and $100 for student loan, and 200 for refinance student role. Okay, so student role is here, so you can promote to Facebook, YouTube, or the push notification. Okay, and other channel to promote this, because there are a lot of students around the world who needs the students loan. Okay, you can, here you can see the partner benefit. Okay, here he recommend this. Okay, highly relevant, unmatched conversation. Okay, their review, a lot of 4-star, 5-star review they're offering, especially who are working with students, like students scholarship. They can promote They also have personal and mortgage reliefs, but students relief is their hot niche, so you can work on there. Okay, so number 6 is the student loan refinancing referral program, that is mean it's called the elfi.com. You can visit elfi.com, and the affiliate program for student loan finance. You can earn very lucrative commission from there. Okay, so this is also for students who are working with students. You can visit there. Okay, and the most important thing is here, when you will promote their okay student loans, undergraduate, graduate, a lot of there, right? So it's just visit elfi.com, and you will find the referral program. Okay. Okay, let's see how much dollar you can earn. You can get 400 referral bonus check. Okay, $400 plus your friend will receive 100 credit applied. If you refer your friend will get 100. Here you can see that refer a friend to refinance with ELFI. When they have refinance, you will get 400 check. Okay, and they will get 100. Okay, toward their loan balance registered now. Okay, this is a very good and lucrative program. Okay, and the next one and the last one is called the debt consideration care. Debt consideration care, you can find their help center contact number. You can talk with them, and their website address is debtconsiderationcare.com/affiliate to join their program. Okay. Debt consideration, my favorite one. Okay, debt consideration is so lucrative. Let me find some okay information. There were two different commission models. Okay, the first one is contactable leads model and parcel model. Okay, so if you talk with them, you can find their commission rates. Okay, basics, what is the minimum data amount we accept. Okay, you can just follow their FAQ to understand. Okay, what type of devs accept, track my visit. How you can track your visitor. They will help you. Paper lead affiliate system. Okay, affiliate payment, what is the amount of commission you pay. Okay, let me check. Per lead amount, oh my god, can you imagine? 20 bucks contactable leads and 60 bucks sign up bonus plus 10% additional trailering fee. Okay, so if the loan amount is 10 grand, okay, then you will earn this kind of commissions. And if it's greater than $10,000, then your commission will be 35 per contactable lead. Okay, if your lead contact with them, you will get this commission, and if they sign up with bonus, okay, you will get $120 plus 10% addition fees. Okay, this is very good. Okay, per lead model is here. If you visit their website, you can see different kind of model. Okay, oh my god, you can see you can earn up to 750 per client plus 250 for next 8 months. Oh my god, this is huge. and this is the best. Just visit the debtconsolidation.com, okay, plus slash web affiliate. You can earn huge amount, okay, huge amounts. And I will also share some affiliate marketing program, how you can get your uh, client or your customer to accept this kind of program, okay. So you can promote among yourself, your friend circle. And if you want to promote in large scale, go have a blogging site which blog will help you to uh, attract the students who need the help, okay. So start a blog and you will get a lot of traffic from this blog, and just refer them this kind of loan, debt, okay, debt settlement program, okay, affiliate program, and they will enjoy it, okay. They will enjoy this, and they will also sign up for them. And for the first time when I talked with you, the CURADEBT, they have a long cookie duration. So this is my number one choice is CURADEBT. Second choice is the debt consideration care. Their service for loan settlement is very good, and you can see the commission. I already show you the commission rate is very high, 750 per dollar per sale, okay. So start and just try, everyone. 7 is good, but CURADEBT and the debt consideration care is my favorite. There are some small commission rate, but you can uh, uh, what you can apply it for your the PPC CPC campaign, like $20 per sale. That those are American debt enders. You have the Guardian debt reliefs and the national debt reliefs, okay. They are very good. So today's video is all about, and I'm ending with here. Hope you enjoy this and just work and earn money, okay. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like our video, okay. And if you want to enjoy more affiliate program, we will share with you. Just keep the subscribe button on, and on the bell button. We will update you with different kind of affiliate programs. These affiliate programs can change your life, okay. And every week I will bring new and new affiliate programs to you so that you can earn tons of money. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and please share the video with your friends and family who want to earn a lot of money from affiliate marketing. Take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.